In this video, I'll walk you through how to e-sign a document. A simple way to electronically sign documents without needing a notary. Let's get started. From your main dashboard, select Sign Options and click on eSign. Start by uploading the document you'd like to sign in PDF or Word format. Next, add your signer details. Your name and email will already be filled in. Now you'll enter the document editor. Here, drag and drop the necessary fields, like signature, date, or text boxes, to the appropriate spots on the document. Once everything looks good, review your document and then click Finish. And that's it. Once the document is signed, it'll be ready to view, download, or share.